If you're a QA engineer trying to break into AI testing, Promptfoo is the framework companies are already hiring for. My name is Jaime. I'm an instructor at Engenious University, where we train QA engineers to become AI evaluation engineers. The biggest problem I see with Promptfoo is the documentation. It's dense, and most engineers get stuck before they ever write their first eval. I built a free AI assistant that solves exactly that. In this video, I walk you through it. Watch carefully. This will save you hours.
Promptfoo Assistant that I build, this is a tool that is going to help you go through the Promptfoo documentation, which is an open source framework for you to do AI testing, LLM testing, and red teaming. It is an actual framework that is very user-friendly, it's easy to set up, and it's actually very useful when it comes down to testing large language models. So if you are in AI testing and you're already using Promptfoo, this would assist you getting information quicker instead of kind of going through the documentation. If you are not doing any AI testing and you are a software tester, manual tester, if you're in quality assurance, if you're an SDED, if you are a quality engineer and you want to break into AI and AI testing, then this is a framework that I'm recommending you dive into. So real quick, I'm just gonna show you how it works, and then if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, all right? So I'm gonna put this link in link below, so you don't have to memorize the URL. But what you're going to do is, this is a bring your own API key. So all you have to do is go to Claude Developer Platform. This is where you're going to get your API key. So it's console.anthropic.com. And then you click here on Get API Key. Once you set up your own API key, you're going to come here into the URL that is on this post, and you're going to paste it in here, okay? So you're gonna click Start Using Assistant. And if you're not familiar with Promptfoo and just wanna start getting some information, all you're going to do is say, what is Promptfoo? You're just going to start thinking a little bit, going through the documentation in the knowledge base, and then it's going to give you the information related to Promptfoo, the capabilities, which is, to do systematically test prompts, to evaluate LLM outputs, to calculate metrics, to generate adversarial tests, etc., etc. These are the LLM providers that it supports. It also talks about red teaming capabilities, and it actually gives you a source of where you found the information. Let's say if you want to learn what is red teaming, let's just do that. And then I would just want you to kind of try it on your own and start gathering information to help you be more knowledgeable about AI, Promptfoo in general, okay? So red teaming, again, it gives you the information about red teaming, what it involves. It helps you find vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and unintended behaviors on any Gen AI-based applications. It talks about the OWASP LLM Top 10. It tells you about the capabilities, why red teaming matters, etc., etc. And then it shows you a source, and you click on it. It'll take you to the right place to gather the information. So this is more of a shortcut, time saver. This is for you guys to use.
Promptfoo is one of the core tools we teach inside Break Into AI Testing Bootcamp. It's the 5-week program where we train QA engineers to become AI evaluation engineers, work on real production AI systems, and get hired for roles that didn't exist a year ago. The August cohort kicks off in about a week. If you want to take a look at what the program covers, the link is in the description. Subscribe. New content every week on AI testing and what it actually takes to grow as a QA engineer today.